Welcome to EduMatch, connecting minds for mutual educational support. Are you struggling with a specific subject or need affordable and personalized educational help? EduMatch is here to revolutionize your learning experience. With EduMatch, students and professionals can connect to solve educational problems together. Our easy sign-up process allows you to specify your expertise and needs, ensuring you get matched with the right people. Once registered, our matchmaking system uses an advanced algorithm to connect you with users who can help you out. Whether it's a challenging math problem or a tough coding issue, EduMatch has got you covered. Our problem-solving interface, designed like a chat or forum, allows seamless interaction between users. You can ask questions, provide answers, and engage in collaborative problem-solving. To make it even more engaging, we have a reward system where you earn points for helping others. These points can be used to get assistance with your own challenges, fostering a supportive and collaborative learning environment. Your profile and portfolio on EduMatch showcase your problem-solving history, highlighting your expertise and contributions. This not only helps you track your progress, but also builds your reputation within the community. EduMatch is built using cutting-edge technology. Our front end is developed with React.js, HTML, and CSS, ensuring a smooth user experience. The backend, powered by Node.js and Express.js, integrates seamlessly with our MongoDB database. For user authentication, we use Firebase authentication, and our platform is hosted on scalable and secure cloud solutions like AWS and Heroku. We have a comprehensive user adoption strategy that includes social media campaigns on LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram, featuring platform benefits, tutorials, and user testimonials. Tools like Hotjar, PostHog, and Google Analytics help us track user behavior and engagement. Since our launch, we've seen incredible growth, with 500 users in the first month and 1,500 users in the second month. Our engagement metrics show an average session duration of 10 minutes and 60% returning users. With a 30% conversion rate from visitors to sign-ups and 20% active participation, our community is thriving. Our team, Zaridan Zayadulov on front-end, Izit Karimov on back-end, and Robert Kiss on cloud, works tirelessly to ensure EduMatch remains secure, scalable, and user-friendly. We've overcome challenges like real-time collaboration and maintaining user engagement by partnering with AWS and implementing WebSockets and gamification features. Looking ahead, we plan to develop a mobile application, introduce AI-based matchmaking, and integrate with educational institutions. We'll enhance the user interface, add more languages for global reach, and implement more robust analytics. Join us at EduMatch and be part of a community that's transforming education through mutual assistance and collaboration. Together, we can overcome any educational challenge.